Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for Tetris game on Java. Okay, let's go. Let's continue to code. Right, in this video I will show you the first one. If we show you update the um, the movement of a shaper when you the movement, especially the vertical and the horizontal movement. Alright, for the we update the vertical first. Here is the vertical. I will recommend here for the vertical movement. Alright, you can see here we just check the end of the board here. Alright, you can see here I plot 1 for jet the future. If the shape go down more 1 step, it will go out of the board, so we need to stop it at here at the y equal the board height, and so if we jet plot 1, you will see if bigger than the board height. Here you can jet you can jet here like this, equal bigger or equal board height. But I think if you plot 1, it's more understandable, yes, more easy to understand. I'm sorry. Right, and so this is for just the bottom of the board. So if we check the other shaper which was stopped it before, so to do that we need to alright, I need to see the old previous what we did. Right, we fill the cell on the board here. Alright, for the shaper in render, you just set something here for the color. Yes, no. So you can see here the shaper is the current color of the shaper. Now, okay, and let's go back for the vertical movement. Here, to jet it, we need to go through all the shaper. Sorry, all the cell in the in the shaper by yes, go from row less than the chorus let and row plot and another fluff in column big less than the coordinates row and length. You go through all the matrix. Sorry, you need to increase the column after every loop, and you check if the coordinates this means you check if the cell is something different with nothing, row and the column different with 0. If true, let's continue check on the board get board. We check on the matrix of the board if y plus row and s plus delta plus column. Sorry, here you need to plus 1. It's the same with the coordination here. You need to plus 1 for jet. If the shape go down one more, you need one more step. Yes, if it go one more step, whether it's get collisions with other shaper, so we can stop it here, right? If different with no, use no because in the board matrix we use colors for the value for every cell, right? And here we will check if it we will collision equal through. No. And for the while you need to check if different with if collision, if not collision we will plot the y. Okay, let's run it. Okay, see it, right? Perfect. All right, and for the horizontal it's the same. You can see the delta s and then the s means u plus 1, and here I mean plus 1 is the same with the vertical, but because you can delta s that may be equal 0 or maybe equal 1 or maybe equal negative 1 for go left and go right, or not go left or right, you know. So we need to set a variable here for 3 cases. All right, so let's continue. Use loop and go row and column lane. I'm sorry, here we need to use row plot, and here same thing, but use column, and here we use the row. Alright, let's check if the board get board and y plus row and s plus delta s plus con different with no, not no. We will, alright, I will use a variable by move it false, and if it get collision we will I will just assign a full, right, false. Sorry, here you need to set true. If it get collision with other here, so this is the same with the vertical movement. You need you just add more step. For then that step, you move a step. If that step make a collision, you will not do that step. All right. So to stop movement by plus the delta s with position s, you need to use this variable to for flag that stop at this line. Yeah. So if move s, if you can move s, you plus more delta s. If not, you don't do that. Okay, and let's run it. And let's check it. Alright. Right. You can see it. I can go. You can see it. But something wrong here. I need to see what mistake here. I'm sorry, I'm missing something here. Here we need to check the cell. Yes, if we don't check the cell, our cell will full of the collision. Here to check the cell for collision. Row and the column not 0. Oh, you need to check it. It's very important. I need to remain again. If you don't check here, the shaper will check on the cell on the shaper. It means on the cell is something different with 0. Yes. Right. Alright, I think you understand it. Okay, let's run it. Right, you can see here. Okay, so next one, maybe I will random the shaper for every neck. Alright, for the board we go to the second shape here. We will choose the shaper by random. Alright, you define a random parameter, import the library, and then in the board you need to create a new object for that. Random, there's something here. Alright, I'm sorry. And for next shaper, you will use the random and neck ends with about either here the shaper leg. Alright, let's run it. Yes. Alright. So for this video we did check the vertical and the horizontal of the movement, and we random the shaper every set the cone saver. Alright, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. Alright, that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.